Yeah, hello everybody. Everybody here on the NOAH is talking about the platforms in China, the platforms in USA, and what's the position of Europe in this digital world. And I want to talk to you about the position and the major part of a university that can drive the ecosystem to make Europe faster, better, and prepared for the digital age. So this is my speech. First, we can consider that every style and size and type of company in Europe and also in Germany have a lot of problems to digitalize their business. And we see they all have trouble and try to find their own way. And we see under this layer three major parts where we can consider that they have a big influence of innovation culture and innovation structure. And we see universities, the mindset of open innovation and to believe and to work in ecosystem is not really developed in Europe. And for this, we go exactly this way to develop a system that helps innovation for all the types of companies to develop a system in these three dimensions. And when we compare our university system that we have in Europe and in Germany, we will find a very big difference to China and Europe. And the major difference is that the companies and the universities have a very big gap between them, and they have a different culture. And universities do not believe and do not develop students and employees to build companies, to build products. So this is a wrong direction in which they work every day. And for that, we try to change exactly this in Hamburg. And the way we walked the last years is exactly described by three steps. First, we founded HSBA, a private university that cooperates with 250 companies. And for that, we have a very strong relationship to them. And the second step was to have experience and to cooperate with companies in order to develop new products, new concepts in the digital age. So we make innovation. We have a lot of experience then, more than 100 projects we did during the last 2 years. And now the third steps, and where I want to describe here, is to open this system in an ecosystem. We invite partners, companies to come into our square and to work together to building new products, new business concepts, and new companies. So, and this was a big shift of our system. We started with a university, Hamburg School of Business Administration, and we did education. And in Square, the main focus is product development, product building. And we started in the university as a closed shop system. We are very in our own rooms, and now we do open innovation. And coming from a lab, now it's coming to a hub. So we make our doors open, come in, and work together. And the fourth level, we changed from institutes in the university way now to ecosystem to cooperate. So this is the way we walked through the last years. And Square started and founded 2 months ago. And I want to explain now a little bit about Square. And the power that we bring into our innovation is the power of a university. And we combine this power of a university with the power of companies, and they are multiplied, and for that is described by I Square. And that's the reason why we called our hub Square. We combine the power of university and companies, and they force each other to a next level. This is the principal idea behind Square. And what we do there is product building. And the way we are doing that is described by our own innovation process, our innovation street in 3 steps from explore, over, develop to operate, from an idea to a complete running product. This is what we are doing in our system. And each idea, each company, everything we talked about, we challenge it by our own system, and this is described by our Square scorecard. So we asking if you are really using the knowledge from the university system, if your business concept is really focused on customer needs. And we ask if you're really using the highest standard in technology. And the fourth dimension, we ask also for responsibility, because we are absolutely sure that this dimension will be the differentiation to all platforms around the world in other countries. And for that, this is a major dimension we really look for. So, on this slide, sorry for a lot of logos, but this is our ecosystem already existing. So we have 250 cooperating companies, 6,000 companies in our community, 3,000 alumni, 60 CEOs from our university running their business, and more than 60 founders already we have in our university. And this we bring all together as a major player in our university ecosystem. And we believe that everybody has to have partners to do it together. So nobody is able to solve problems in their own rooms in very closed mindset. So that we believe to open innovation. So this is the way how we work together. And one typical example from the projects we already did is a technical solution supplier based in Hamburg, a very successful worldwide operation and a market share from approximately 30%. And the business was machine maintenance. And we find a way how they can use 3D printing as a disruptive technology to make this business better and more successful. And this is exactly what we developed in a project in several sprints. So, and now I'm coming to the end. If you're a startup, if you're a corporate, or even supporter, do not hesitate, contact us. HSBA is able to support you by education, by innovation or acceleration. So we are prepared for that. And so come to Hamburg, take contact to us, and we are willing to force your business concept by the power of our university, by our mindset of open innovation and our ecosystem that we deliver to all your projects. So HSBA and Square is ready. Are you? Thank you very much.